Hey dear folks, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today we use K518 Pro to program 2018 Hyundai Tucson Smart Key. What we need to prepare for is K518 Pro, OBD communication cable, an original car key, and a new smart key produced by our Lonsdor. Now we start to program the smart key.
Plug in OBD communication cable. Select IMO and remote. Hyundai. The first step is to read the PIN code. Follow the key chip type. We selected 47 menus. Turn off the ignition. Open and close the main driver's door once, and turn on 2 flashing lights. Click OK. Part number identified OK. Reading PIN code. PIN code reads successfully. Click to return. Select by vehicle. China. Choose New Tucson. Select the menu for 2015-2018. Program Smart Key. Smart Key. Note that all smart keys need to be programmed, otherwise they will not be able to start vehicle. Click OK. Press the start button once. OK. Turn off the ignition. Open and close the main driver door once. Click OK. Enter the PIN code. Click OK. OK. Please prepare the smart key you want to program. Click OK and within 5 seconds to press the smart key on the ignition switch until the immobilizer indicator light goes on. Program successfully. Continue to program next one. OK. The second key follows the same method. Click OK to operate. Program complete. No need to program next one. Click cancel. Number of successfully programmed keys 2. OK. Now let's try it. Can the original car key be used normally? Step on the brake and press the start button. The original car key was successfully started. Let's try again to see if the new key works. Step on the brake and press the start button. The new key started successfully. Let's try again to see if the remote control works. Original car key lock car unlock. New key lock car unlock. Remote control is normal.
We have programmed Smart Key for 2018 Hyundai Tucson. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more supply ahead.